In this video, I will demonstrate how to do the weight calibration for the force transducer. And when I open the file, every time you're going to open the new file, I'm going to show you, you need to select the IXTA. So we're going to click OK. And you're going to click OK for the rest. And this is the weight calibration experiment. So you're starting from 0 weight, and 1 weight, 2 bars, 3 bars, all the way to 8 bars. So as you can see, the y-axis here is still volt. It's not a gram yet, so we need to convert volts to grams. Also, you're starting from zero weight, so here is 5. It's not accurate. So how do we calibrate the calibration? You're going to click the double cursor, right? You're going to put left cursor to without a weight. You're going to move the right cursor to all the way to the last weight. Right. Once you finish this, you're going to right click the mouse. So right click. So here you're going to select the units and simple here. Right. I want you guys to pay attention what are we changing. So what you need to do is only focus on these 3 boxes we need to focus on. So you can also click this button when you do homework by yourself. And so here we want to tell the software it's not a 5, this is a 0. That's corresponding to this line. So we want to tell the program without a weight, the y-axis should be 0. And this is the last bar is the 8. This is the last one, it should be 80 gram. So we're going to put 80 here. Then I'm going to change to the units. I'm going to change to grams. Right. So once I change everything, I'm going to click to OK. So let's see what happens. Right. Now the y-axis is grams. The x-axis is grams now. You're starting to see this from beginning. It's become 0. The last one is the 80 grams, always corresponding to 80. So in the lab report assignment, once you convert, after you calibrate, we need to measure what's the actual weight for each one. So let me measure the first one. You can know what we do. If I want to know what's the actual weight for the first bar, so I'm gonna put left cursor at 0. I'm gonna put the right cursor and at 10 gram. And again, I'm gonna looking for here. This is the actual value measured by a computer. If I want to know what's the actual measured weight for the second bar, so I will move the right cursor to the second 2 bars. So again, I'm looking for the value here. It's the measured weight. If I want to see how many actual weights for 3 bars, so I'll keep the left cursor same place. I'm gonna move to the 3 bars. So I will write down this number here. So you continue and finish all the 8 bars, right? So that's how you will calibrate. You're going to calibrate and you're going to analyze. Now, once you do finish everything, let me close this one. Once you finish everything, how can I generate the graphs? Let me show you what we have. Hopefully you can see it. Right, and using this template, right? This file you also have on Blackboard. So let me quickly show you. So this is the bar weight we added after you measure. For example, this first one I measured 11, right? Then you continue. What is your measured value for each bar? So you're going to replace the data of what I provided here. Once you put your own data, the graph going to change. So what you're going to do is just copy this image and put in your lab report assignment as your final document. All right, so this is for experiment 2, weight calibration.